I just want to see, okay.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Here over on my channel, I show you how to be your baddest bitch at an affordable cost. But today we are back with another product review. You guys really love when I review products on my channel, and I'm glad because it is one of my favorite things to do. But today we are talking about the brows, sis. I was sent these products from Charlotte Tilbury, the legendary BROWS Micro Precision Tinted Brow Gel, as well as the Brow Fix Clear Brow Gel. I used it in today's video. I just wanted to show you guys because, you know, we are super busy. Everything is like on the go. I love a very quick and simple beat. I mean, although this is not a quick and simple beat, but y'all get where I'm going. I feel like the brows are the window to the soul. If your brows are jacked, then everything else is just not gonna look right. So for those of you guys who struggle with trying to fill in your brows, this video was literally dedicated to you. These two products and maybe a third, depending on if you have your brows freshly arched or not. Mine's are not. You may need 3 products to complete this look, but it literally took me less than 5 minutes, and I used these 2 products. As always, products will be linked down below in the description box. So I did want to tell you guys just a little bit about other products that I am using. The legendary brow gel is the tinted brow gel. It is so precise, like literally when they say precision, that's exactly what they mean. The brow tip is so thin, it literally can grab every single brow hair. It reminds me of like the thin brow pencil. You guys know that this is like a NYX micro brow pencil stand account. Absolutely love that brow pencil. So I love the fact that the wand, because on most tinted brow gel, the wand is a little bit thicker, but with Charlotte Tilbury making this brow tint, like the gel so thin, it makes it easier to get in, to pack on more color for your brows, and to give it a more natural and full appearance. So I really do love that about the precision of the brow gel. The clear brow gel I use before and after I fix my brows. That has just a regular tip to it, so that looks like this, and literally you can use it to prep the brows to hold it in place, and then you can also use it once again to set it. Honestly, the precision, what words, they mean things, I don't know why I'm tripping over it. The micro precision tinted brow gel is already thin enough to kind of lock the hairs in place, but if you're extra like me and you want that extra security, you do have 2 options. I am going to show you guys a demo of how I use both of those products coming up in the next clip, but just in case you guys are interested in purchasing it, both products are $23 a piece. You can either order them off the Charlotte Tilbury website or anywhere that Charlotte Tilbury is sold, which is typically like, you know, your Sephora's, your Ulta's, things like that. You can order it offline, but like I said, I will have the links down below in the description box. I hope that you all find this video super easy, super helpful. I want to go ahead and jump into the demo so you guys can see how I achieve these perfectly fluffy, nice, natural brows. Alright, so obviously my base is done. This video is literally all about the Charlotte Tilbury brows. I was sent this product in the mail, and it is the legendary brows. So I did receive the precision brow tinted gel in the shade black brown, and then I also received the brow fix clear gel. You guys already know, like, I love a good fluffy brow. I do have a little bit of sparse areas, so I just want to see, okay. So this might be a little quick fix for me when I'm heading out the door and don't really want to do my brows. I think it probably would have looked a little better had I lined my brows. So because the other brow product that I'm going to use is not Charlotte Tilbury, let me go ahead and step off the camera really quickly. I'm going to give my brows some structure, and then I'm going to come back and just fill it in with that. So literally I'm just going to place a little liner in the brow. I definitely needed to carve out my brows. But y'all see how like sometimes just placing that line under and just shaping the brows really does transform everything. So I wanted to make this video super beginner friendly, because I find that every single time somebody finds out that I do makeup, they're always like, I need to learn how to do my brows, how I feel in my brows. And sometimes like a pencil can be too advanced for somebody. Powder, dip brow, pomade, all of that stuff, because girl, that brow pomade can get carried away very fast. So I will say the only other like colored brow gel that I would use, y'all know if y'all like real OGs to my channel, I used to love that Maybelline Brow Drama, so I would use that. And then I also used to use the MAC, is it the Pro Longwear brow stuff? I know it's like a waterproof brow thing. I don't even know why the heck I can't think of the names, especially considering the fact that I used to work at MAC. But I used to use that Quiet Brunette brow gel and just go. So that is my alternative to people who just absolutely cannot grasp the concept of filling in their brows. If your brows are already freshly arched, or let's say like you can't fill them in good when you need your brows done, I would definitely say just try to like keep your brows shaped and then get you a good brow gel and you good, especially if you got brow hair. I don't not have eyebrows, but they're definitely not thick at all. I'm gonna just use my NYX Lift and Tint brow pen and give some very little light hair strokes. I feel like my brows look very harsh right now because I don't have anything else on, but literally y'all, it's that simple with these Charlotte Tilbury brow products. It does not take much at all. And then of course, if you're extra like me, you can definitely use your clear brow gel and set the hair in place. That is it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera, and then I will be back to give you guys the final shebang of the brows. I think that they look really good. They look really natural. I just like a more natural brow, not so much the carved look that everybody goes for. So yeah, your girl will be back on camera after she finishes her face. All right, you guys, so my makeup is done. I do have a video on this look. It's not a tutorial, it's a chit chat get ready with me, so bear with your girl. But this is what the brows look like with the final look. I love just how like natural they look. I'm sorry, I really just keep looking at my monitor. And again, super quick, super simple. Literally took me less than like 5 minutes to fill in my brows. The products that I use will be listed down below in the description box. If you guys are interested, obviously Charlotte Tilbury does have other brow products that you guys can check out, like other brow shades, just in case, you know, my brows are a little bit darker than yours. You do have other options that you can choose, but the clear gel is universal, so anybody can use that gel. Again, a link will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to check out those products. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.